Hi, I'm Angela Price from Eden Condensed Small Space Garden Design, and this is Garden Space. So questions come in on how to tell the difference between black-eyed Susan flowers and Coreopsis flowers. So just so you know, this is a black-eyed Susan here, and this is a Coreopsis. Now they do have a lot of similarities. They're both from the same plant family, Asteraceae, which is what daisies come from, asters. And you'll notice they have similarities in that they have colored petals and then a center area, which are also, these are actually all singular flowers that all come together as one big flower stem here. They tend to be heat tolerant, like full sun, and come out in late summer. So they're great flowers to put in the heat of summer when a lot of other plants are dying. But on an observation terms, there are some very big differences between black-eyed Susan and Coreopsis. The black-eyed Susan flowers are called that because they have a dark center here, and in this particular variety, the dark brown actually extends to the inside petals, and the older the flower gets, the darker it gets as well. You'll see some of these have smaller rings of dark brown, and some of them have larger ones. But the name black-eyed Susan, it's because it's got a black eye here. Also, the leaves are a little thicker. They're fuzzy. They have kind of a rough, fuzzy texture, and they tend to be a little bit larger than Coreopsis as well. And they do spread out like Coreopsis and will have many, many blooms on one single plant. The Coreopsis, on the other hand, tend to have much smaller flowers, and the actual individual petals or little flowerets have jagged edges, and the centers also tend to be the same color as the actual outside of the flower. The stems are less woody than the black-eyed Susan, and also the leaves are a different shape, and they're smooth as well. So while these will spread out, you'll see similarities if you look at regular daisies or African daisies. You'll also see some similarities to the plants, but the biggest one visually are the way the flowers look, as well as the leaves. So if you have any other questions about telling the difference between these two, please contact me at www.edencondensed.com. Thank you very much.